Hey guys, so we're here today with another KiwiCo box. This one is a Kiwi Crate, and it is the mechanical grabber. This one looks pretty fun. It's a handy tool with reach and grab, and it includes a bunch of different parts here. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'll show you what's in there. First thing, yeah, so you got this cool. Sometimes they do this. Well, first of all, it says, "Hi there, innovator." Love that. Where, you know, letting everybody know they are an innovator, they are a creator. And you have this Steve the Kiwi reaching new heights. It's a little comic here that talks about what they're going to build the grabber for. Pretty cool. A couple little facts on the side. You have a joke here. You have writing to Steve, something you can do. And then you have a did you know, which actually we thought this was pretty interesting. It says, when the International Space Station needs to pick up passing satellites, it uses a giant grabber arm. The arm is almost 58 feet or 17.5 meters long. So that's a fun fact. I don't think any of us knew, right?
And of course, funny thing that the grabber, of course, it has a little googly eye.
That's what he's talking about, right?
So if you wanna have googly eyes, then just give it a shot.
Yeah, so he saw that first thing, that it has googly eyes, so that's going to be a thing. And we have the book here with the instructions, just like all the other Kiwi boxes.
So what's cool about these instructions, if you ever build Legos, it's very similar. It's just like step by step by step. So pretty cool. It's easy to follow, and he can follow it with ease. So that's one of the cool things about these things. So
Yeah.
you
So
guys ready to get this thing going?
Yeah!
Yeah, we got all our supplies here, all nicely included, and we have our directions. So let's get started, you guys.
All right.
It's starting to look like a grabber. What do you think?
Sorry. It might be a weird video to you guys, but look here. Just please give us a lot of subscribers. Give us just like 1 million.
All right. Here we go. Look at that. Here it is.
So
Wow.
at the end of the instructions, it says, you built a mechanical grabber, and that's what we built.
Look at that.
Can I join?
Yes, of
Yeah.
course. This is all for you. Look at those little googly eyes that he wanted so bad. All right.
Yeah, of course, that was the best part.
You know what? Hey, try to grab the water bottle right there.
Oh!
Yeah, here.
Look at
Go,
this.
hold this right here. Hold this right here. Over here. Hold it right here, and then hold this right here. I'll try to grab the water bottle.
Okay, you can grab it. There you go.
Oh!
Whoa!
There you go.
Oh my
Oh,
goodness.
jeez.
So lots
right.
of fun. There were a few little tricky things in there. It kind of tells you though. It says if this is tricky, ask a friend. There were a couple of things, and they have a whole troubleshooting section, so they make sure if you don't know how to do it, you can figure it out. And then it has this fun stuff about grab and go, figuring out how to use your grabber. It gives you some ways you can use it, like grabbing a hat or a ball. It shows you where to grab it, like, oh my goodness. They're grabbing my hair. Oh my goodness. But look, so the back grip you use for something like a ball. The middle grip would be like for a hat. It tells you how to lock it, how to release. Use the grabber to lift and move things that weigh up to 1 pound, a little more than a can of soup. So lots of cool stuff. And then it says in the back of this part too, it gives you some fun things you can do with your grabber. So he is really into this grabber. He really likes it. So what do you want to pick up? You're trying to pick this up? Okay, go ahead. Pick it up.
Oh, there you go.
He
There you
picked
go.
up the
Wow.
sheet. There you go.
Try to grab that one. Try to grab that too.
That water?
You gotta put this back. There you go. Oh, you gotta squeeze it though. Watch.
Almost.
Okay, see? All right, let's
Try
see this
again.
one.
Let me try.
Oh,
I'm holding it still. There you
you
go.
got it.
Pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back. Good job.
Oh,
Hold it
wow.
tight.
Oh, Oh! He's throwing these all over the place.
Alright.
Here, let me see what that paper said, because I think there was some more in that paper. The one that he threw behind you.
Here we go.
He threw it over there. So, yeah, it has like pick up something very small, pick up something very large. Hey, so this is a good point. The most weight the grabber can lift is about 1 pound. So that's kind of what it said in the book. But just so you know, hey, it says you can fold some clothes. So Gabriel, you can practice folding some clothes. Bonus challenge: put the folded clothes away. So that is a bonus challenge: put the folded clothes away. So hey, you can use this as an incentive to do some chores. Take off someone's hat. Carefully pick up an egg. It has all kinds of cool, fun stuff you can try to do. Write your name or draw a picture. So it gives you some fun activities you can do with your new grabber.
Look at that.
He's already using it, as you see. Stuffies. He has papers. He's done water bottles already. So this will be fun. We'll see how this goes. Anything else you want to try to grab, Gabriel?
Or towel.
Remember, you only have 1 pound. 1 pound. So it has to
Anything
be
you want to
small.
say before we go?
Or it has to be light.
We had a lot of fun building this thing. It was
We
pretty
did.
cool.
Are you good?
I don't know if I'm gonna play with it more. or if he's
Maybe
gonna
not
play with
that.
it. Yeah, I don't know if you want to grab the camera.
Oh,
See
he
you
grabbed the
later.
camera.